Did you know you can build wealth with no money? It might sound like a far-fetched dream, but it's entirely possible. Many people have done it, and you can too. The key is to start with what you have, no matter how little it may seem. It's true. Don't let anyone tell you that you need a fortune to start growing your wealth. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step, and that step can be taken today. Whether you have a few dollars or just a strong desire to succeed, you can begin your journey right now. We all have to start somewhere. The most important thing is to start today. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. By taking action now, you set the wheels in motion for future success. Write down your goals, make a plan, and take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Let's explore how to make your wealth dreams a reality. Creating a vision board can be a powerful tool to keep you motivated and focused. Fill it with images and words that represent your financial goals. This visual reminder will help you stay on track and remind you of why you started this journey in the first place. Many people think they need a lot of money to invest and build wealth. This misconception holds them back from even trying. The truth is, you can start with very little. The key is to be consistent and patient. Small, regular investments can grow significantly over time. That's just not true. You can start small and gradually build your way up. Think of it as a journey. Each small step you take brings you closer to your destination. Start by saving a small amount each month, and as your confidence and knowledge grow, you can increase your investments. It's like planting a seed. With care and attention, it will grow into a strong tree. Your financial journey is similar. Nurture your investments with regular contributions and smart decisions, and over time, you'll see them grow. Remember, the most important thing is to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it may never come. Start now and watch your dreams turn into reality. Educate yourself along the way. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn about managing money and investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from those who have successfully walked this path before you. Budgeting is another crucial step. Knowing where your money goes each month can help you find areas where you can save and invest. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals and stick to it. This discipline will pay off in the long run. Stay committed and be patient. Building wealth is not an overnight process. It requires dedication, hard work, and time. There will be ups and downs, but if you stay focused on your goals and keep pushing forward, you will achieve them. Remember, dreams do come true. With determination, the right mindset, and consistent effort, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. Start today and take control of your financial future. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. Wealth isn't about fancy cars or big houses. It's about freedom. It's about security. It's about having choices. When you build wealth, you take control of your future. Imagine being debt-free. Imagine pursuing your passions without worrying about money. That's the power of wealth. It empowers you to live life on your terms. Let's debunk some common myths about building wealth. You don't need a trust fund. You don't need to win the lottery. And you definitely don't need to be a Wall Street whiz. What you do need is the right mindset. You need determination, and you need a plan. We'll explore these steps together. One of the best ways to build wealth is to invest in yourself. Develop valuable skills, learn a trade, take online courses. Knowledge is power. When you have in-demand skills, you increase your earning potential. You become more valuable in the marketplace. And that translates to more money in your pocket. Section 5, Free Tools, Real Results. We live in an amazing time. Never before have we had such easy access to a wealth of information and resources, all at our fingertips. There are countless free resources available to help you build wealth. Listen to podcasts, read books, follow financial experts online. These resources are often created by industry leaders who share their knowledge and experience freely, allowing you to learn from the best without spending a dime. Take advantage of these free tools. Educate yourself. Watch tutorials on financial planning, budgeting, and investing. Join online forums and communities where you can ask questions and share insights with like-minded individuals. The internet is a treasure trove of information waiting to be explored. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of personal finance, it can be the key to unlocking your financial potential. So, start today. Dive into the world of free financial education and watch as your understanding and confidence grow. With the right tools and a commitment to learning, you can achieve real results and take control of your financial future. Section 6, From Zero to Hero, a True Story. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was an ordinary woman just like many of us. She had dreams, aspirations, and a vision for a better future, but life had thrown her a curveball. Sarah was deep in debt and felt hopeless. The weight of unpaid bills and mounting debt was overwhelming. She often found herself staring at the pile of bills, feeling a sense of despair and anxiety. The stress was taking a toll on her mental and physical health. But one day, Sarah decided that enough was enough. She decided to take control of her finances. She knew it wouldn't be easy, but she was determined to change her situation. She started by reviewing her finances meticulously, understanding where her money was going, and identifying areas where she could cut back. Sarah immersed herself in learning about budgeting and investing. She read books, attended seminars, and watched countless videos on financial management. She learned the importance of living within her means, saving diligently, and investing wisely. She created a budget that allowed her to track her expenses and ensure she was saving a portion of her income each month. To supplement her income, Sarah started a small side hustle. She turned her passion into a business, working late nights and weekends to make it successful. She sold handmade crafts online, offered freelance services, and even started a blog to share her journey and inspire others. Fast forward a few years, and Sarah is now debt-free and building a bright future. Her hard work and dedication paid off. She managed to pay off all her debts, and she now has a healthy savings account and a growing investment portfolio. She no longer feels the weight of financial stress and is able to enjoy life more fully. Her story is a testament to the fact that anyone can achieve financial freedom with hard work and dedication. Sarah now shares her story to motivate others. She gives talks, writes articles, and mentors those who are in the same position she once was. Her journey from zero to hero is a powerful reminder that with determination, perseverance, and the right knowledge, anyone can turn their financial situation around and build a brighter future. Section 7. Your wealth starts now. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, be consistent, and never give up on your dreams. You can do this. Take action today. Start budgeting. Explore different investment options. Every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Section 8. Join the journey. Don't be afraid to share your wealth-building journey with others. Connect with like-minded individuals, support each other, celebrate your successes together. We're all in this together. Let's create a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial freedom. The journey starts now.